Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're wrapping up our exploration of MaiLab by looking into how to set up and operate a diagnostic system. The objective of a system like this is to provide analysis results seamlessly to the shop floor and to help you establish a process for diagnosis and optimization. Let's dive in. One of the most powerful features of MaiLab is its ability to feed analysis results back to your shop floor. This means you can modify your automation processes based on insights gathered from MaiLab's analysis. We are well aware that not everyone is comfortable with AI making direct changes to processes. That's why we ensure that you have control over accepting changes with the help of MaiLab's expert system. MaiLab, working together with Mitsubishi Electric's digital platform solution Iconic Suite, doesn't just give insights, but also suggests actionable changes. Whether it's adjusting set points or fine-tuning parameters, recommendations are backed by data-driven analysis. Think of MaiLab as a brain, and Mitsubishi Electric's Iconic Suite as the messenger that can suggest changes to the process based on MaiLab's results, seamlessly integrating data analysis insights into your production workflow. And voila, our positioning operation has been implemented. Let's take a closer look at it. Fast, isn't it? During online analysis, models can't be retrained in real time. This is actually an advantage as it ensures that the models are thoroughly tested and really deliver the requested value as defined at the start of the project. And there you have it. By seamlessly integrating data analysis insights into production management programs, we're able to optimize processes and drive efficiency like never before. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the benefits of using MaiLab, and keep pushing the boundaries of innovation.